So the Sears Craftsman is back alive again after cleaning the carburetor. I did start this in the rain and it shook so bad from this blade that was on it. It was so out of balance that I cut it off and just waited for a better day. And I also didn't use anything in this carburetor kit. I'll save that for other lawnmowers. These bowl types sort of fit pretty much the same parts. So I put another blade in it and got that all balanced. Took the shake out of it. I left the E3 spark plug in. I did try another plug, but it's got a slight skip in it that hasn't cleared up yet. I'm going to change the oil in it. The oil was horrible, like sludge in there. Sure, it had never been changed. And I don't know if she ran this thing without an air filter. It didn't have one in it. I put a used one in it. But sometimes these skips will work themselves out, sometimes they won't. Sometimes it could be a valve type problem, just some gook in the valve, or the cylinder wall is really scratched up bad. Partially sheared flywheel key, which I doubt in this case. But I'll start it up for you and show you what it's doing. But it is alive. Hopefully it will clear itself out. Move this blade out of the way and we'll give it a start. It's been starting very easy. Let's see how it goes. Definitely got a skip. Boy, does that cut good. Look at that. Push is much better now too. Let's see if this skip will work itself out. So it's back running again. And here's my cat Sammy sneaking around here. There off he goes.